Hey everyone, for this video, I'll teach you how to disable your AirPods location. With this tutorial, you will be able to remove your AirPods location from your Find My app. The first step is looking for the Find My app. This is a built-in app from Apple which helps you find missing devices or your friend's location. Go to Devices at the bottom of the screen, tap on the selected AirPods that you want to disable, and then you will see a lot of options. Tap on Remove this device. It will remove the device from your phone, which automatically disables the location. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.